This is Zboy MNTBN.
Nahubog ninyong loading. Hello guys, I'm Benjas Bersaday and I'm taking over Zboy's vlog, Zboy MNTBN. Look at, nausa na ninyo idol karon. Inyong loading, nausa na ninyo kung makainom.
Nunsa ka naman, matulog na lang ka sa kamaturan, nga waday ka mo!
Asa man Zboy na
Nandun si Zboy, can you?
Okay. Medyo ka na
Pinapalabasan niya po, mga kapatid!
Making a syllabus is very hard. Bro, seriously? I'm sorry.
Hey guys, ang gwapo amigos guys, nasa metro guys, kay mambulabog ni dire. Nakita na mong maman dyan nun, waman dahil dyan dire. Dyan, imong mama, gwapa kayo, pero may katuod dyan, nga imuha ditong mama dyan. So guys, karon na din yung nahibawan guys, nga ang tampiko ko no, sabon. Hey guys, mamalit may mga koan guys, sa Cheria din mo i-surprise ang mga classmates sa ilang balay. Hey! So karon nun guys, amot maklaro ba ka? So guys, muna to guys no. Padong na miss balay sa mga classmates. Surprise dyan. Hey guys, nanabilang Ryan guys. Patambal. Ryan, surprise. Nagdaming foods. Sige Ryan.
19.
Gara-gara dyan. Nakasense ko ka ng koam.
Mas kawatan na itong daw. Asa yung cellphone boy?
Okay, good morning everyone. So we are...
Kaya naman tatuloy niya, katuloy na higayon niya. Nagkuhan yung masiyanan niya. Siya sa pinagpaya.
So guys, when I got home, I just see a dog in here.
Meet Ash! Ashy!
This is bell bottom. This is blood shoes.
Photoshoot na.
Nasaan tayo photoshoot?
Basag.
Balik-balik. Parang talayin ka na amazing.
Ikaw na lang.
What's that, Jacal? Jacal, what's that?
Milk tea.
Milk tea? Can I drink one? It's coffee, bitches.
Kuan na.
Katubitad sa kuan niya kato atong gi-photoshootan ba tubtong kuan na nanimbata din pagkaman kay kuan dayon sa taga na
Nag-photoshoot na to. Nag-photoshoot to.
dapit sa kuan ba fisheries ba
Pwede masad.
na
Bangon bitaw.
Hi, buds.
Realization time. Hi guys, it's realization time. Kung ako na-realize ka ang dawa is that sometimes in our life, it's okay to have fun. It's okay because we're teenagers and we want some fun, but we have to limit ourselves and dili na magkalabi para life would be better. That's it. This is Zboy MNTBN Realization Time. Bye-bye! Realization time. Yo guys, this is Zboy MNTBN signing off for this video. If you like this video, quick thumbs up. Tweet me at Zboy MNTBN and anything else to add, guys.
I met Zboy.